Are you getting error messages regarding Nintendo Switch unsupported security settings? Then you are at the right place. We have got some easy ways that you can use to fix this issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Change the router's security type. If you are getting unsupported security settings error when connecting your Nintendo Switch to a Wi-Fi network, change the router's security settings. Determine your router's security type and wireless password. To do so, locate this information on your router or contact your internet service provider. On your Nintendo Switch, go to the system settings, then select Internet and then go to the Internet settings. Select your current wireless network connection. Select Change Settings. In the Security Settings section, select Security. Choose the security type that matches your router's settings. WEP Open, WEP Shared, WPA-PSK, AES or WPA2-PSK, AES. Enter the wireless password exactly as it appears on your router, paying attention to any symbols, special characters, or capitalization. You can select Show on the on-screen keyboard to view the password as you type it. Once you have entered the password, select OK to save the settings. Test the connection by selecting Connect to this network. If the connection is successful, you should be able to access the internet on your Nintendo Switch. Method 2. Test the connection. If the above steps didn't fix the issue, then you can perform an internet connection test on your Nintendo Switch to check the network connection status. Sometimes, due to unstable internet connection, you can have like this on your Nintendo Switch. From the home menu, select the system settings icon. Scroll down to Internet and choose Test Connection. The test will begin immediately and the results will indicate if your console is successfully connected to Nintendo's services. Method 3. Check your internet. You should ensure that your Nintendo Switch is connected to a stable internet. Make sure you are connected to a 5 GHz signal instead of 2.4 GHz. While 2.4 GHz is better at penetrating walls, it can get crowded due to various wireless devices using the same frequency. Switching to 5 GHz provides faster speeds and better reliability for online gaming. Connect to your router's 5G signal for an improved experience. The position of your router matters. Place it in an optimal location to enhance range and stability. Avoid obstructions like thick walls or wire mesh inside walls. Experiment with different positions to find the best spot for a strong signal. Method 4. Restart Nintendo and the router or modem. Next, you can restart your router or modem and the Nintendo Switch to fix temporary network glitches. A fresh restart can often fix minor issues. Here is how to do so. Press and hold the power button of your Nintendo Switch to turn it off. Then turn off your router or modem and detach all the power cords attached to the devices and from the same source. Allow a few minutes to pass and then attach the power cord and turn on your router or modem and then turn on the Nintendo Switch. Method 5. Try a different internet connection. You can also shift to a different network and see if that works for you. If you have access to a different Wi-Fi connection, then switch to that. You can also choose an Ethernet connection as it ensures a more stable connection. Also, make sure the Ethernet cable is properly connected and there is no loose connection. You can disconnect your Ethernet cable from all the sources and connect it to some other device on another internet connection to check it. Method 6. Change DNS settings. The next thing you can do is change the DNS settings. Open Nintendo Switch settings and go to the Internet tab. Click on the Internet settings and then select your Wi-Fi service. Click on Change Settings. Then select DNS settings. Change it to the manual option. Set the primary DNS value to 8.8.8.8 and the secondary DNS to 8.8.4.4. Save your changes and restart your Nintendo Switch. Now check if you are getting any issues now. Method 7. Update the switch. Ensure your console has the latest system update. Navigate to System Settings from the Home tab. Select the system. Next, select System Update. Once the update is complete, check if the issue is fixed. Method 8. Contact Nintendo support. If you have tried all these steps shown and the issue persists, you can contact Nintendo support for further assistance. You can click on this link and select the console you are using. Then select the issue and follow the on-screen instructions provided by the team to fix the issue. You can also book for a repair and follow the on-screen guide. And there you have it. The methods to fix Nintendo Switch unsupported security settings error messages. We hope one of these methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.